Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we talk about the top 5 ways to make money online. I am sure you must have scrolled through countless YouTube videos where creators show they make hundreds and thousands of dollars a day. Get ready for an electrifying ride as we explore the secrets of making a passive income on YouTube. You may think you know everything there is to know about this topic, but trust me, you've never seen it quite like this before. Especially the last tip that I discuss, I reveal some extra secrets to ensure success. So buckle up and get ready for an electrifying journey that will take you to new heights of success. With never-before-seen insights and perspectives, you're about to discover the true power of YouTube and how it can transform your life forever. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to be blown away by the game-changing strategies that I'm about to reveal. This is the video you've been waiting for, so don't miss a second of it. Let's go! What if I told you that you could make a passive income online with YouTube? With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube has become one of the most popular and lucrative platforms for content creators. In this video, we're going to show you how you can start making money on YouTube, even if you have no experience. So, sit tight, and let's dive in. And before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content on how to make a passive income online. Tip 1. Find your niche. The first and most crucial step to making a passive income on YouTube is to find your niche. This means finding a topic that you're passionate about and that has a large enough audience to support a channel. Some popular niches include beauty, gaming, cooking, and fitness. When you select a niche, it is essential to do proper keyword research and find out what people are searching for related to your niche. Doing so can help you optimize your content for the search engines and attract more viewers. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to do some keyword research. Keyword research involves finding out what people are searching for related to your niche. This information can be incredibly valuable as it can help you optimize your content for search engines and attract more viewers. One of the best tools for keyword research is the YouTube search bar itself. Simply start typing in keywords related to your niche, and YouTube will suggest popular search terms. You can also use third-party keywords research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find out what people are searching for related to your niche. When conducting keyword research, you want to focus on finding keywords with high search volume and low competition. This will make it easier for your videos to rank higher in the search results, and ultimately attract more viewers to your channel. In summary, finding your niche is a crucial step to creating a successful YouTube channel. You need to choose a topic that you're passionate about and has the potential to attract a significant audience. So, take your time to choose your niche carefully, and don't be afraid to experiment until you find the perfect fit. Tip 2. Consistency is key. The next tip for making a passive income on YouTube is to be consistent. Consistency is vital because it helps you build a loyal audience that knows when to expect new content from you. Uploading content regularly also helps you stay on top of the algorithm's radar, which can boost your video rankings and increase your chances of getting discovered. Therefore, plan a content calendar and stick to it. However, make sure that the quality of your videos remains high, and that your content adds value to your viewers' lives. Consistency is vital when it comes to building a successful YouTube channel. It's essential to have a regular posting schedule so that your viewers know when to expect new content from you. When you consistently upload videos, your audience will begin to anticipate your content and look forward to it. This helps to build a sense of loyalty and trust between you and your viewers. But consistency isn't just important for your audience, it's also crucial for YouTube's algorithm. When you upload content regularly, you're telling the algorithm that your channel is active and engaging. This can lead to increased visibility for your videos, improved rankings, and higher chances of being recommended to new viewers. So, how can you ensure that you're consistent with your uploads? The first step is to create a content calendar. A content calendar is a schedule that outlines what videos you'll be posting and when. It's a useful tool that can help you stay organized and ensure that you're meeting your posting goals. Another tip for maintaining consistency is to batch produce your videos. Batching involves filming multiple videos at once and then editing and releasing them over time. This technique can help you save time and stay ahead of your posting schedule. While consistency is essential, it's equally important to ensure that your content is of high quality and adds value to your viewers' lives. Posting videos just for the sake of being consistent won't help you build a loyal audience. Make sure that each video you create is well-researched, engaging, and offers value to your viewers. In summary, consistency is key when it comes to building a successful YouTube channel. It helps you build a loyal audience, stay on top of the algorithm's radar, and increase your chances of being discovered. Tip 3. Monetize your channel. Monetizing your channel is one of the most obvious ways to make a passive income on YouTube. This means enabling ads on your videos and earning money based on the number of views and clicks those ads receive. However, you need to meet certain requirements to monetize your channel, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Additionally, there are other ways to monetize your content, such as sponsorships, merchandise, and fan funding. These can provide more significant returns on investment than just ads alone. It's important to note that ad revenue alone might not be enough to sustain your channel, especially if you're just starting. Therefore, it's crucial to explore other ways to monetize your content. One of the most popular ways to make money on YouTube is through sponsorships. Sponsorships are partnerships with brands that pay you to promote their products or services on your channel. To get sponsorships, you need to have a strong and engaged audience that aligns with the brand's values and niche. Another way to monetize your channel is through merchandise. Merchandise can include anything from t-shirts to stickers to mugs. You can create your own designs and sell them on your channel, or you can partner with a company that specializes in creating and selling merchandise. This can be a great way to earn money while also promoting your brand and increasing engagement with your audience. In conclusion, monetizing your channel is an essential step to making a passive income on YouTube. Ads are the most common way to monetize, but sponsorships, merchandise, and fan funding can provide additional revenue streams. Remember to focus on building a strong and engaged audience to increase your chances of getting sponsorships and selling merchandise. Tip 4. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make a passive income on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. This means promoting products or services and earning a commission on any sales that result from your promotion. There are many affiliate programs available, so it's important to find one that aligns with your niche and audience. However, make sure that you disclose your affiliate links and only promote products that you genuinely believe in. Doing so will build trust with your audience and lead to better conversions. Many companies have affiliate programs, so it's important to find one that aligns with your niche and audience. For example, if your channel focuses on beauty and skincare, you could partner with companies that sell these products. When promoting affiliate products, it's essential to be transparent with your audience and disclose your affiliate links. This helps to build trust with your viewers and lets them know that you're not just promoting products for the sake of making money. One way to promote affiliate products is by including links in your video descriptions. You can also mention the products in your videos and provide a discount code for your viewers. This can encourage them to make a purchase while also benefiting you through the affiliate commission. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to make a passive income on YouTube by promoting products or services and earning a commission on any resulting sales. Tip 5. Sponsored content. Finally, sponsored content is another way to make a passive income on YouTube. This means partnering with brands and creating content that promotes their products or services. However, it's important to disclose any sponsored content in your videos to remain transparent with your audience. Additionally, ensure that the sponsored content aligns with your niche and provides value to your viewers. Doing so will help you maintain your credibility and authority in your niche. But before you jump into sponsored content, please share, like, and subscribe to help us creators get our videos out to as many that need the help. When it comes to sponsored content, there's a crucial rule to follow. Always disclose any sponsored content in your videos. Being transparent with your audience is essential to maintain their trust, and it's also required by law. Now, the question is, how do you find sponsored content opportunities? Well, a simple way is to check out the brand's website or social media pages and see if they have any information on partnerships. Alternatively, you can join influencer marketing platforms that connect creators with brands looking for sponsorship opportunities. But here's a secret tip that I wanted to reveal. When negotiating sponsored content deals, don't be afraid to ask for more than just payment. Brands are often willing to provide free products or services, exclusive access, or even exposure to their audience in return for your content. So, be creative with what you ask for and always remember that sponsored content should align with your niche and provide value to your viewers. By following these tips, you can create sponsored content that maintains your credibility and authority in your niche while earning a passive income. So, start reaching out to brands, negotiate your deals, and create content that your audience will love. Outro. Thanks for watching our video on how to make a passive income on YouTube. We hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to start making money online. Remember, finding your niche, being consistent, and monetizing your content through various channels like affiliate marketing and sponsored content is key. And, of course, don't forget to optimize your content for the search engines by doing proper keyword research. Please hit that like button and share this video with anyone who wants to make a passive income online. And, if you haven't done so, please subscribe so we can keep helping as many as we can. Kindly like and subscribe to our YouTube channel,